It's casting day! Oh my god, I'm so excited.
This is gonna be the first time I've ever walked on a runway before.
Taylor. Bree. Hey guys, so the first day of castings is today. I have to go work out, so we're just gonna do that. I wanna run to sweat and stuff, but I also don't want to get like too thirsty and like drink too much water because then it's gonna make me like bloated. I want to stay like my stomach flat. So we're just gonna go with the flow. Got some tonnage today. I've got 1 hour to get ready and I'm honestly pretty confident. After yesterday, I felt like since that went well, the casting should go pretty well. I've only done one model casting before and I completely bombed it. And I also didn't know that you could wear like booties. Like most models wear like booties to castings, and I wore like stilettos, so I couldn't even really walk well in them, and yeah, didn't book that one. I gotta get ready. I would do like a little like getting ready with me, but I'm just gonna do the same makeup I did for my meeting yesterday because it worked out pretty good. See that? I'm kind of freaking out right now, guys. I mean, I look really shiny, so I'm gonna fix a lot of this. It looks like dark, like my dark circles won't go away. Maybe because I haven't really slept like 12 hours in 3 days. Not the best for like looking bright and fun and bubbly. I'm gonna go look at like my face in the sunlight and see like what we can touch up. I might just take like a makeup wipe and like get rid of it here, because that kind of like shows you're wearing makeup more, and I think maybe on my forehead a little bit. So I'm just gonna go in and like do that.
Yeah.
To check back in talking about how my casting day went yesterday, because it was a really hard day for me. We had a really fun night after. Christine forced me out of the house, and I'm very thankful for it, because if you didn't, I probably would have woken up sad still. I'm a good friend. Basically, I lost all my confidence at the castings, and then we go to have fun, party. We saw last night one of the people I casted with, and it was at one of the shows that I actually felt good at, and they were really nice to me. It's like, oh my god, hey, like we casted together today, and he's like, oh my god, yes, like so excited. I was like, yes, 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 yes. Get in the group chat, texting the other girls like, I see him, we're gonna do this. And then I'm like, so am I gonna walk in your show? And he's like, yeah, done for sure. But got his phone number, texted him, probably gonna follow up today because the show's tomorrow. We're checking out of our hotel here. We stayed at the Fountain Blue, and then we're gonna go check into the house with all the other girls. Like 3 more girls come that weren't here for casting days. Should be fun. Like, it's actually starting now. We're just the hard days of not sleeping, taking a red eye, going to castings for hours. Brutal. Now we get to have fun and like walk in shows and be cute and fresh and fun and fit. Get spray tan and work out. We're chilling by the pool. Basically, I finessed. So they had like, oh, there's tater tots. They had like a breakfast wrap, even though it's like 1 o'clock. That's the only thing that they had, but I didn't want the whole wrap. It had cheese and bacon and stuff that I don't eat. So I was like, is there any way can we just get the eggs and then decide an avocado? And we finessed. There's always options. I'm honestly really happy about the girls so far on this trip. Yeah, the girls are super nice. Girls are never nice.
Girls are never nice. That's why you guys don't see anything but me and Amanda, and oftentimes only Amanda.
It's making me so happy that the girls on this trip are so nice, especially that we spent the whole yesterday like casting for shows that like some of us might get, some of us might not. I feel like that's especially the time that it would be, you know, like not chill. But it was so supportive and so good. I'm excited. So on my way to fitting for Wildfox, I like still don't trust it. Like I don't think it's gonna like, I mean, I hope it happens, but I feel like even the fitting is like still like casting number 2.
Really?
I don't know why I feel this way. The owner of the brand was just so like, yeah, of course, done, do it. So I'm like, are you just saying this? Well, we'll find out tomorrow if it happens. So cute.
Oh, hi. I think that's literally on the phone. That's so cute. Oh, it's here. Yes, please.
So a tarot card reader just came, and I honestly, like, I wasn't feeling good and I didn't really want to do it, but I was like, I have to do it. So she did guided meditation with us, basically like, go to your happy place, like see yourself there in that happy place. Whatever it is that like you need to let go of, like picture that and like cutting it off. Then it was like, now like go find a reflection, like a mirror or something in this happy place. Just like look at you and like see yourself a year from now and like see this girl living her best life, you know, being the best version of herself. Then ask her what like advice that she would give you. And it was like kind of hard for me because I wanted it to be peaceful and I'm like so anxious right now. I was basically saying like, just don't stop, you're enough, just keep going. After we finished that, we were gonna pull our cards and she was like, whatever you feel like force or whatever on putting your hand on top of it, pull that one. And I pull it. And then so she like tells me like what it means. So this card means you have to be okay with the process. You know, like you've set goals and you have to stick to it. You can't give up and be distracted by different things, hoping for instant gratification. And I was like, this is just insane, because that's what I was saying to myself and what I've kind of been talking to myself about a lot recently, that I'm like in a spot where I'm not seeing results, you know, like I'm not seeing these things being accomplished and like not getting any reward from anything like right now, but I am working so hard and it's like discouraging. But I know like, and that's why I said that to myself, like you just have to like keep going. And it was really crazy. All of the other girls like went with them so well, and everyone said like what I was thinking in the meditation is what this card is. So that was insane, and I definitely teared up. It was just obviously like crazy energy and really emotional.
Brunch? I mean, not brunch, breakfast. Brunch, your favorite thing. My favorite thing.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a little baby sample. Take it with your bloat pills.
Thank you.
Is the chocolate peanut butter one? Bye!
So everyone, including
Non-workout girl Christine Taylor,
says that these gloat pills are just the best thing ever.
they're honestly slightly magical, because I always struggle with bloating, like water bloat. Like it doesn't matter what I eat, I just have always had a sensitive stomach, and my stomach is looking like super flat, and I'm like not really changing my diet. I already eat really good.
Didn't really speak on this much yet because I just feel like it's not real. But had the fitting with Wildfox. The show is tonight. Call time is 7:30 p.m. We're getting spray tans in like 10 minutes, and this is gonna be the first time I've ever walked on a runway before. I'm not nervous now, but I'm sure like when I get there, I'll have more nerves. But I'm just excited right now. We just came to one hotel to get spray tans. I still have like a little line from the castings, my bathing suit, like I got a tan, but anybody get the show today?
It's not about the clothes, it's about the soul.
If you're in the Wildfox show and you're not in this photo, you've got a problem. Right here at Wildfox. Oh, yeah.
Ready, 3, 2.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
I wish I had a lip liner.
Taylor. 9-3.
So we're landing up here in the hall. A little bit more intense energy than yesterday, but I'm honestly thankful that this the
Then
first
after
day
Kalia is Amanda. Then is Nicole.
everyone's hair is going to be at the show before, so I have to build like
I'm going to keep my energy.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Sell it, ladies, sell it. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight.
And like tripping was happening. Like I slipped like a little bit, and then like Erika dressed me. Like we're supposed to have dresses to get us dressed, but it wasn't dressed to me. Erika dressed me. I couldn't get all the jewelry on while they were buying my thing, so I just like threw on what I could. Right before I went out, the girls like took the necklace off of me. I just went on stage and threw on my necklace before like setting me out. And then I'm like so flustered. I forgot that we were like walking together. And I'm like, no, oh my god. And then we were on the stage, like doing the finale. We were dancing and we're like, oh my god, like whatever. And then it was like there for so long. And we're like, someone go. Oh god. She's all like smiling and I'm talking to her like, let's get out of here. Someone go.
We'll do it later. And then we take a photo. 10, 2, 1.
Good morning. I have a fitting, my last fitting for my last show. Before I leave, me and Christine were up till 8 a.m. because we were just like doing the whole thing with the rest of the girls, and then when we got to the room, we were like having girl talk forever. You know when like the sun starts to come out, you're like, let's run with it. Not spin it. I'm wearing a really cute outfit though. Yeah. Hello vlog. I just finished my last fitting and it went so well. I felt like they really liked me. Like this is one I didn't do a casting for, so they just like knew me, so like they already like liked me. It was like just good vibes. They were very nice, and it was the most professional one I've been at. The outfits are like some of the cutest ones I've had. One of the looks literally looks like something I would design for Steele. You know, like similar. Same but different. This one I am wearing heels though, and it's a different stage I haven't walked on, which apparently is like bigger. It's going well, and I'm excited. I feel good. One of them, oh my gosh. One of them I'm like wearing this like cover up like over me, and it's like to the floor. Worst case scenario, I step on it and like trip. Why did I think of this? My outfit's super cute. These pants, shorts, are from Triangle, like Triangle Swimwear.
This is from Aiello, which is by Frankie's Bikinis, like their clothing brand. Super cute. Like I think I'm wearing it right. Also, I just want to say, like, when I moved to LA, I was like, all of the models are friends. Like, they're all in this group. Like, it's like model girls and they're all friends. Everyone is best friends with each other. And then I kind of realized later on, like, no, they're not actually all as good as friends as it seems like. But like being here, I realized that you're seeing the same girls like at all these shows, at all these castings. You're just like always like working with them. Also, it's like in really bad situations a lot of times. To be like doing that stuff just on your own would literally be miserable. So I totally like get now why the models are all friends with each other. We all gotta be nice to each other before we go out. Like, be like, you look good, you gotta go out there, kill it. Yeah, I'm just like, I'm learning so much on this trip. And I felt like I was like familiar with the modeling world because I've had so many model friends and stuff. And I'm really seeing like what goes into all this stuff and like actually how hard and scary and lonely it could feel. I'm so lucky that I have all these girls here with me, but like if I didn't, like, I don't know what I would do, guys. I would literally lose it.
Helping out with the body makeup. Oh, my turn? Yes. My mouth is so dry. Like, hey. Oh, I love it. It's so good. I'm not gonna lie, this trip was very tough. Very tough. How was I this trip?
She was great.
It was like mean and sad and angry. Ugh.
And we are clearly exhausted.
I'm so tired.
But
I'm so happy that we're gonna land in LA and it's gonna be early.
It's gonna be early, and oh my god, should we ask Max to pick us up or someone to pick us up? Like,
it's too early for them to actually do that.
It'll be 3 p.m.
Oh, well, maybe our friends will be awake by 3 p.m. Welcome home!
This weather, baby, this weather. We are home.
We're home.
We made it.
I just like don't even know what to think about like this whole thing, like the whole week. Like what? It felt like forever. It felt like we were there forever. I was so incredibly emotional during the trip. I just like, I really put myself through something I've never done before. Zene's here for the ride. Like, I'm still processing like what I just did, but I accomplished something I wanted to do, and I worked hard,